Hello, this is Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon. When it comes to selling on Amazon in 2025, the biggest mistake most beginners make is choosing the wrong product category. So, in this video, I am going to share the 5 product types you should never sell on Amazon, no matter how profitable they look on the surface. And trust me, avoiding these will save you money, time, and a lot of headaches. The first type is anything that falls under dangerous or high risk categories, such as baby items, supplements, or anything that goes inside the body. These categories require strict documentation, approvals, and compliance, and one missing document can get your listing shut down instantly. The second category is anything copyright sensitive or IP sensitive. This includes big brands, trademark heavy items, character based toys, and anything with logos you don't own. Amazon suspends accounts daily for IP violations, and one strike can kill your seller health. Third, stay away from hazmat products. Anything flammable, pressurized, chemical based, or battery heavy can get flagged, require Hazmat approval, or delay your inventory for weeks. Fourth, avoid extremely fragile products like glass decor, ceramic pieces, or delicate electronics. They break easily, lead to high return rates, and will destroy your profit margins no matter how good the numbers look. And finally, never sell low margin or trend based items that only look good because they are going viral on TikTok. Trends die fast, competition rises instantly, and these items end up sitting in Amazon warehouses, costing you storage fees. Focus on evergreen products, strong brands, and categories with stable demand. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Amazon strategies, wholesale insights, and business breakdowns from me. I'll catch you in another video.